Hey, I'm Chad, account executive here at Cacheflow. Today I'm going to show you in 60 seconds how I use our product to negotiate live on sales calls and close deals on the spot. Check it out. So when I'm on a late stage call with a prospect, we're both reviewing the quote, I have Cacheflow open in the background, ready to implement those negotiated terms straight away. This prospect wants 1 month free, 15% off the platform fee, and 5 additional users. Takes me 15 seconds to update that quote. All they have to do is refresh the page, review those changes, and then e-sign and set up payment. For me as a rep, I get to avoid the emailing, the follow-ups, sending PDFs back and forth. If you'd like to see how Cacheflow can help you do the same, book a 30-minute product tour on our site.